Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. So in this video, we are going to see how we can pay salary to the staff and how we can fill the details in salary pay form. So just have a look. So from the salaries HR management, I will go to the employee list. So here I have created some employees. So I will click to the Ramesh Yadav. And from here, I want to pay salary for the month of October. So I will fill up the details of staff. So all the details we need to fill up from here. And if the basic salary, for example, let's say 4,000, HRA 1,000, transport allowances I will take 500, and PF number, ESIC number, PAN number, and PF UN number. So I will just select the 1st of October. I want to pay October salary, so I will just save from here. So I have saved this. Now just close and go to the salary pay form. So here you select the Ramesh Yadav, and from here select the October of month and just refresh. So here you can see salary is not paid. So we need to check the attendance record. So I will go to the attendance record and I will select the staff Ramesh Yadav, and from here I will select, let's say, 31st of October, and I will just refresh from here. So you can see attendance record from here. Whenever staff logs in and logs out, the attendance will get automatically recorded. So this salary details we can freeze from here. So total days 33, absent days I will take salary days I will take 28, and here work days total I will take 28, and from here I will just freeze this attendance. So I have saved this attendance. Now let's go to the HR management salary pay. So from here I will select Ramesh Yadav and October month, and I will just refresh from here. So you can see all the details: month days work 33, salary days 33, 31, LOP is the leaves, that is 2. So you can see 4,778 is the net pay. So I want to give this salary from the cash or bank, we need to select. So I will give it from the bank, and we can write down the mode of transfer, and from here I will select the date. For example, let's say, okay, today's date I will select only, and the Bank of Baroda. So the transport mode I will write down NEFT, and here I will just save. So once you saved, means salary is paid to the staff automatically. So if you go and check in the business summary dashboard, here you can see 5,000 is deducted, that is salary paid to that staff. So I will go to the account statement, and here I will select that staff also, Ramesh Yadav, and I will just refresh from here. So here you can see salary paid to Ramesh Yadav 4,777 and